I'm Anil Kumar. Many of my students have a question. They want to understand when to apply sine law and when to apply cosine law to solve triangles which are not right angle triangles. So we have a couple of videos which will help you understand the concept. Here's the very first one for you. The question here is, what method would you use to find x in the triangle below? Explain. So we have a triangle here whose two of the angles are given, one side is given, right? So in this kind of a situation, how to solve the triangle? To find x means solve a triangle, right? Now what you observe here is that you have a combination of angle and opposite side. So whenever you are given combination of angle and opposite side, you can use sine law. So what we are given is combination of angle and opposite side. So if that is given, you should use sine law. Okay, so S kept. Okay, so you should use sine law whenever you have a combination, right? So that is the key thing. Now, how to use sine law? You need to find x. Now this is also very important. Normally you write sine A over A, sine B over B, sine C over C, and sometimes you get confused like what is A, what is B. Here we have not written any A, B, C, right? So how to use sine law? We need to figure out what do we need to find. We need to find x. So write x first. X, now x is the side, angle opposite is 30 degrees, correct? So use this side and opposite angle combination, correct? So we say x over sine 30 degrees is equal to which side is given to us? This combination is given to us, right? So since you wrote x, which is the side length on the top, write the side length on top. 25.2 divided by, include units, centimeter, sine of 110 degrees, correct? Now simply cross multiply, get your answer. So x is equals to 25.2 times sine of 30 degrees divided by sine of 110 degrees, and the unit should be centimeter. So that is how you have to calculate. I hope that works, right? So this is how you have to always use sine law and find your answer. Note in the question, we are not saying calculate x. So I'm not doing the calculation, but you should practice and find the value of x, correct? The value of x should be much lower than 25.2. Since the longest side is always opposite greatest angle. Now 110 is very high number as compared to 30, so this x has to be much lower than 25.2 centimeters. So that is kind of a check. Now my question is, when to use cosine law? Can you tell me? Well, here is the answer. Two scenarios. In a triangle, if you are given three sides, use cosine law, or you're given side, angle, side, use cosine law. Otherwise, always use sine law. So cosine law can be used when three sides are given. In that case, you do not get this combination of angle and opposite side. And here also, side, angle, side means side, angle, side. You do not have that combination of opposite side, so use cosine law, correct? So when to use cosine law, I should have written. Let me write it down now. So use cosine law when three sides are given to you, or two sides with angle in between or included angle. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.